17 years of pain is not fun. On a daily basis, my average pain level was between a 5 and a 6, constantly. And when you're riding that kind of pain, even with painkillers, it affects your entire life. It affects how you deal with your children and how you deal with your wife and your job, everything. My name is Bob DeVleming. My story starts in June of '96. I was helping my brother-in-law move a hide-a-bed, and he lost the grip, and I was on the uphill side. We were going up some steps. And instead of letting go, I tried to stop it, which was a stupid thing to do, and blew out my back. I've been in a constant level of pain, and over the years it's just increased and gotten worse and worse. I've done everything you can do. Over the years, I've officiated high school football and have for 22 years. And over the years, from all the running and the pounding, you could see on the MRIs where my vertebrae were starting to compress and the density of the bone was getting worse and worse. I mean, you could see the white line where everything was crunching together. 2 summers ago, I started with another doctor and doing the injections, which is a normal thing everybody has to go through. And then I had a rhizotomy, but instead of what Dr. Larson does, the rhizotomy that they did was a burn. It didn't take, the nerves grew back, and I finally just got frustrated with him and got a hold of Dr. Larson. We ended up finally deciding that surgery was the way to go, so I had to wait for the right window. And I went in on the 7th of March and had my surgery done. What they did was they fused S1 and L5, L5 and L4, and then they completely replaced L4, L3. I'm not gonna lie, the recovery was tough. It was really hard. As time went on, I started healing and started getting a little better and a little better. My first visit with Dr. Larson was huge. I went from a constant pain level down to about a 2, which is, I've never been there. 17 years of pain, and I've never been at that spot. By the end of August, I ran full speed, and I was really, really stressed out about not being able to run full speed and not being able to work a football game like I normally do. This surgery it's changed my life. It's completely changed my life. I mean, no more pain, no more painkillers. I'm actually pleasant to be around. Just ask me, I'll tell you.